Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at iqoption. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. iqoption is a trusted and regulated Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2013. This broker is trusted by more than 48 million users worldwide, and over 1.3 million trades are successfully executed daily on the iqoption platform. iqoption offers hundreds of tradable instruments and CFDs, a powerful trading platform, and flexible accounts for all types of traders. You can start trading Forex with as little as $10 when you open an account with iqoption. And if you are new to trading, you will have access to trading guides and video tutorials, a free demo account, as well as reliable customer support to help you along the way. iqoption offers tight spreads on a wide range of CFDs, which are contracts between investors and financial institutions that allow investors to trade on the price movements of financial assets without the obligation of actually owning those assets. The CFDs you can trade with this broker include currency pairs, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, indices, and ETFs. You can find out more about the instruments you can trade with iqoption by hovering your cursor over the For Traders tab and heading over to the Assets page. iqoption offers a sophisticated, user-friendly website. As you scroll down the homepage, you will see information about the instruments offered, the trading features of the iqoption platform, and the awards this broker has won. You will also find direct download links for the iqoption application at the very bottom of the homepage. If you are seeking specific information about trading conditions, company information, or more about the tools and features offered, you can select an option from the menu bar at the top of the homepage. If you need any assistance, you can reach the iqoption customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket directly from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in more than 15 international languages, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would also recommend visiting their help section for trading tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you require assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. There are 3 types of accounts that you can open with iqoption, including a demo account and a VIP account. Before you open a live account, we would recommend trying a free demo account first, so that you can see if you like the iqoption trading platform before you deposit any real money. Practicing using a demo account will give you the time to learn the basics until you have a solid understanding of trading, as there are high financial risks involved, and knowledge is a key factor in potentially becoming a successful trader. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. There is no limit on the iqoption demo account, and you will have $10,000 in virtual funds to practice with, which can easily be topped up. However, remember, virtual funds are not withdrawable as real profits. The iqoption real account requires a minimum deposit of only $10, and there are over 500 instruments you can trade when using this account. You will also be able to participate in weekly trading contests and tournaments and you can start investing with as little as $1. This account is suitable for all types of traders. However, if you are a beginner, then only open this account if you have already practiced using a demo account. The VIP account gives you access to exclusive trading ideas that have been prepared by iqoption's expert traders, and you will have dedicated customer support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. VIP accounts are available to clients that deposit significant amounts. However, the exact amount is subject to change, so we recommend contacting iqoption's customer support team directly if you are interested in this type of account. This account is designed for professional and experienced traders, so only apply for a VIP account if you fully understand the risks of trading and already have a well-established trading strategy to use. iqoption also provides a swap-free account, which is only available to Muslim clients, and no additional interest will be charged when trading with this account. Please note that an inactivity fee of €10 will be charged if your account has been inactive for 90 days or more. iqoption's award-winning platform comes with a great selection of advanced trading tools for risk management, order management, and market analysis. It is one of our top-rated alternatives to mainstream platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This platform is beginner-friendly. However, it also meets the needs for professional traders seeking more sophisticated features, such as the ability to view up to 9 charts at one time, or use more advanced indicators and chart types. The iqoption platform offers multi-chart layouts, with updated news feeds, historical quotes, and economic calendars that can be used for technical and fundamental analysis. There are over 100 indicators with plenty of innovative widgets to customize and optimize your trading experience. You can also set price alerts and manage your risks with stop losses and take profits, negative balance protection, or trailing stops. You can develop and refine your trading strategies with confidence using a variety of charts and drawing tools, trading signals, indicators, and analysis tools. Customer support and video tutorials can be accessed directly from the application, and it also comes with additional features such as market analysis data, traders' sentiments, live deals, public charts, and more. The iqoption platform is available as a desktop platform, a web trading platform, and a mobile application. Creating an account with iqoption will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is quick and easy. You can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the iqoption homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. After your account has been verified, you can log in to the client portal. A minimum deposit of only $10 is required to open an account with iqoption, and you can fund your account using credit and debit cards, Skrill, Neteller, bank transfers, and several other methods. Once your account is approved, head over to the client portal to explore the platform and start building your portfolio. Once your account is set up and approved, you will be redirected to the iqoption trading platform. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the iqoption trading platform. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, a variety of options that you can choose from, such as viewing your portfolio, your trading history, access to chat and support, video tutorials, and more. If you are new to the iqoption trading platform, the broker provides a wide variety of video tutorials that you can access directly from the platform dashboard, which covers educational topics regarding platform functionality to help you get started. As a trader or investor, having access to reliable resources and trading tools is a key factor of success. You can access video tutorials on technical and fundamental analysis, and plenty of other how-to guides and market analysis reports directly from the dashboard of the iqoption trading platform. The iqoption blog is also a reliable source of information and a great source of inspiration. You will find articles explaining how to trade, how to read charts, which indicators to use, and so much more. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice using your free demo account. iqoption have won many international awards over the years, and this broker was awarded for having the best trading platform and the best technology application. Also, they received an Award of Excellence from the Communicator Awards in 2017. Overall, not only does iqoption make it easy for all types of traders to enter the markets with limited capital and market exposure. However, this broker offers an exceptional trading platform with all the tools and features you need to trade with confidence, regardless of your trading experience. iqoption is also a popular choice amongst professional traders, and all VIP clients get professional account managers and favorable profitability rates, which takes some of the pressure off and gives you an opportunity to focus on achieving your trading goals with the support that you need. iqoption offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. We consider iqoption as a leader in the Forex trading industry, with over 40 million clients and a Trustpilot rating of 4.3 out of 5. You can rest assured that your funds are in good hands with this broker. Not only do they make it easy for all types of traders to enter the markets with favorably low minimum deposit requirements, but they also offer an exceptional trading platform with all the tools and features you need to trade with confidence and execute your trading strategies with ease. So, if you are interested, be sure to open your account today and make use of your free demo account to get a head start on your trading career with iqoption. And that is our overview of iqoption. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.